Deloitte and College Summit are trying to raise the purpose of public education in this country, from high schools being a destination for kids to being a launch pad for their college and career success. And together, we're working on how schools measure success through Deloitte's expertise in measurement and helping us put tools in the hand of principals and superintendents so that they can see what their young people are doing when they finish high school and go on to college. But that doesn't stop there. In addition, Deloitte volunteers are in each of the communities working directly with students, helping them make the jump from high school to college. We're also working on policy so that we can have the environment work better for schools that are trying to be launch pads for their students' college and career success.
So this is an issue that's critical to our business. I mean, it's more than just philanthropy. What drives the relationship and why it's such a deep relationship is that we share the same mission and the same vision that college needs to be the norm for kids all across the country. And you know, really the lines between Deloitte and College Summit on working towards that goal are very blurry. I mean, we sit down together, our CEO, our team, JB and his team, and we talk about what are the assets that each of our organizations has as a corporation, as a nonprofit, and what can we do together to improve the issue. And you know, that's what drives us.
Deloitte consulting teams come in and helped us build our data warehouse, which is giving tools so that principals in high schools in states all over the country can actually see how their students are doing on the path to college as well as once they get to college. So let me give you an example. So in a high school, it's springtime, a class of 500 students finishing up their senior year. The Deloitte Data Warehouse is allowing us to identify the students who've applied to college but haven't completed their federal financial aid form, so that we can give a principal and the counselors and the teachers a list of the 35 students who really have taken almost every step and need to take just one more step. Rather than asking them to deal with the 500 students in the class, Deloitte expertise is allowing the school to focus its resources, which we know are tight, on the students who need it most, for whom the difference can be made.
From our end, I mean, the pro bono work that we do for College Summit is no different than the work that we do for our paid clients, other than at the end of the day, we don't bill JB and College Summit. But we staff it with, you know, we define a scope of work, we staff it with a team of experts in that area. And what JB asked from us was, you know, give us a timely, actionable report that principals can use to help them manage their college going in their school. And so, you know, several years and several, you know, $1 million and hours later, that's the work that we've done together to help schools, you know from the 9th grade on how their kids are tracking towards college.